Tonight, an Orange County high school student is behind bars after police say he threatened to shoot people at school. KCAL 9 Orange County reporter Stacey Butler joins us live from Brea with reaction and the latest on the investigation. Stacey.
Elsa, parents and students are just learning about this tonight. They are unnerved by what they're hearing, and they say that they're shocked that these violent posts escaped notice for almost 2 months before one dad of a high school student here noticed them and called police today.
I'm kind of glad they caught him, but it shouldn't have happened in the first place.
Tonight, many are just learning that a 16-year-old student at Brea Olinda High School is behind bars after police say he posted pictures of himself holding a rifle on social media and threatened that he was going to shoot people at the school. A dad here at the high school says he was monitoring his daughter's social media when he saw the post the 16-year-old made 7 weeks ago. He called police and they arrested the student today for making criminal threats.
Well, I think it's better to be safe than sorry, but someone probably should have saw it 7 weeks ago when it was first posted. Like, waiting this long, it could have happened already.
The school district sent out an email to parents earlier tonight explaining what happened. The superintendent said he is cooperating fully with police. He wrote, "The purpose of this message is to assure you that appropriate measures have been taken, and we believe that the campus and the students are safe." And police say that that parent did the right thing. They say that this is a great example of what they try to remind us of often. If you see something, say something.